So, a little bit of time has passed. We are now back 3 hours later to this opportunity of a leaky roof that needs to have some repairs. And let's have a look what has changed in this short period of time. So, two persons have responded to the original poster who was asking for services. One did probably a few minutes after I made the video, so that's 2 hours ago, and basically said, yeah, give a shout to Chris at that company. You can reach with that phone number, made a link to the business page on Nextdoor. That's very good. Apparently, it was seen pretty quickly and probably appreciated by maybe the original poster, I don't know. And another gentleman or lady, I don't know, but basically said I could do also the job, gave the telephone number and the link to the business profile on Nextdoor. So let's have a quick look what this business profile look like. So let me reduce myself a little bit. So the first one to respond, JVRD Roofing, unfortunately has no banner image, no profile image or logo image, and that is apparently the only post. So that's a recommendation. So this is after responding and adding the link to the business page. This is automatically added as a recommendation on their business page. Unfortunately, not much more other activities on this business page. I don't know, it has been created recently or they are just very quiet. There's a physical address that's good. You can get directions. There are opening and closing times. There's a link to the website. That's also very good. And yeah, they could have additionally, if they are a registered company, most probably they could put their license number and everything. That would add to the trust. Adding to the trust is having nice banner picture, logo picture, and so on. Adding to the trust is also putting proper images. I guess that was supposed to be either logo or a business card, but low quality, not good. Ideally speaking, here you can do before and after types of posts, videos or pictures to show how good the company is, and you can also make more posts to show different types of business or types of services you've accomplished in the past. So this could be definitely improved. So let's have a look to this website. So the website looks pretty professional. There's a email, telephone number, get a button, free estimate, that's good. Social media links, also good. Why not having also the Nextdoor link? Nextdoor buttons, I think not so many websites do that. And the free estimate form, that's all good. So this is a long as page, a lot of things to read. The only comment I'll do that I noticed right away, I would make this upper part and free estimate a sticky banner here, so whenever people are scrolling down, they'll always be able to click or call or send an email or fill the form free estimate. So that looks pretty good, pretty professional. So let's have a look to the other business page of the other person who posted it. So here a logo, yeah, that's a kind of business card. No banner, unfortunately. No opening times, a physical address, no website, only a Gmail address. It then looks less professional as the previous one. Here there is another recommendation where probably the business page has been added in the comment section. That's it. So basically here also the same, Lisa Gates seems to be second time the same here, 6 hours ago. Yeah. So this business profile page also needs to be improved to convey more, let's say, trust to their potential customers, and also website would be more than welcome. So that's it for my review of the day of this business opportunity to have a gig in the roofing niche. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you like this type of analysis, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.